We are starting Unit 9, Solving Polynomials. And before we get into really working with polynomials, I want to talk about splitting the middle, factoring a little bit more. And as we take a look at our first problem here, x to the fourth plus 10x squared plus 16, we're going to split the middle of this 1, 2, 3 term polynomial, starting with labeling the coefficients as a, b, and c. A reminder that the number in front of the x to the fourth is 1. We're going to step 2, multiply a and c. So 1 times 16 is 16. And then we want to list all of the factors of 16. And the factors of 16 are 1 and 16, 2 and 8, and 4 and 4. Which takes us to step 3, which is find a pair of factors from our list that will add or subtract to give the middle number 10. Well, if we take 2 and 8 and we add them together, we will get 10. So the numbers that we found are 2 and 8. But now what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the middle term. And our middle term has a variable that's x squared. So this is going to be plus 2x squared plus 8x squared. And now we can finish this problem by grouping. Here's our first group, here's our second group. Greatest common factor in the first group is x squared, which is the smallest exponent. There's 4 x's. We took out 2 x's. We still have 2. We didn't do anything with the 2. We had 2 x's. We took them out. We don't need to write any x's here. In our next group, the biggest number that divides into both is 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. We didn't do anything with the x squared. 16 divided by 8 is 2. And now we have x squared plus 2. That's in both groups. And then what's not in both groups? We have the x squared from the first group and the plus 8 from the second group. And there we factored. Again, the only difference is that we started with x to the fourth plus 10x squared plus 16 instead of factoring a quadratic where our highest degree was 2.